New Year, everybody.
Happy New You.
It's a fresh start. So we are doing our Fresh Start workshop Wednesday, January 10th at 6:30 p.m. We've done this every year
Love them.
for the past few years at the beginning in January. So fun. And what we do at these events is we basically help you to define what your health goals are this year and to really create an actionable, effective plan to get to those health goals.
You know, and how many times have we set our goals up and New Year's resolutions, but there's commonly obstacles that get in the way.
Mm-hmm.
And we got to identify what are the obstacles, what would keep me from actually doing what I need to do to experience what I want. That's where the magic comes in of this workshop, because if you can sort out where's the obstacle, how am I going to get around it this time and actually manifest what I really want to see, it's a workshop. Mm-hmm. And of course we're going to have fun, we're going to do work, but we're also going to give you some food, and we always have good organic wine if you like that kind of thing. Why not make it fun? And,
make it fun.
Yeah, why not?
And Dr. Gary and Dr. Lisa will both be there really giving you their expertise.
Dr. Lisa's coming too?
Dr. Lisa's coming too.
Whoa.
I know.
Whoa.
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 So they'll help you with their expertise of like, hey, there's been this health challenge for me and I've been trying different things and maybe you've gotten a little bit better, but you still have some way to go. Getting their viewpoint on those things will be super helpful.
What would it take? What would it take to actually make it happen?
Yeah.
For you. That's what we're going to focus on.
Yes.
What would it take?
And you know what's really cool? The workshop is free. Oh, amen. Okay,
well,
so...
you know, that's really about give and it shall be given unto you. And that's really the reason that we do what we do.
Oh, I love when he gets all choked up. It's so cute.
It happens.
It happens because he's got heart, you know? It's all about the heart. Okay, so sign up. Give us a call at 949-497-2553 to sign up, or you can sign up on our website, healthandbalance.com. You'll see a little pop-up that says Fresh Start Workshop. You go there, fill out the form, and you'll be signed up. And also bring a friend or a family member, somebody with you. Make it fun. Bring somebody, and you guys can do this together.
Yeah, especially a support person who can hold you a little bit accountable. Like, okay, you said you were going to do that, and so... hey, I'm here for you. Come on, let's figure it out.
Mm-hmm. All right. Okay, we'll see you guys there on the 10th.
See ya.